Today I'm standing in front of 3723 North Kenwood Avenue on the near north side of the city of Indianapolis, Indiana. This duplex will make someone a great investment. What do you say we take a look? Hi, I'm Bob with Top Choice Real Estate and the Living in Indiana team bringing you the word on the street, talking Indiana real estate. This 2,214 square foot duplex is located just off legendary Meridian Street and about 3 miles north of the downtown business and entertainment district. Where all the music venues and all the pro sports venues are located. Let's go inside and check it out, shall we? We're gonna walk through the 3723 side, which is vacant, which makes it real nice when you're wanting to tour a property. And it's very similar inside in design to the next door, the other half of the duplex, which is rented, which is nice when you buy one, right? Okay, they're both 2 stories, and like I said, pretty similar in design. Start off with a nice sized living room. Archway makes for a nice touch. Got your stairway going to the upper level. And then a decent sized kitchen with appliances. And there's plenty of room here for like a 4-top. Behind the kitchen is, I'll call it a bonus room. It could be a dining room. It could be a bedroom, I guess, or make a great home office. Tucked behind it is a laundry room with hookups. And behind that door is a small mudroom leading to the outside. We're talking about living in Indiana, and I apologize for breaking in, but maybe you can do me a favor. If you like this video or found this content helpful to your cause, then hit the subscribe button, like right now. There's no cost or obligation, there's only benefit. I work harder to make good things happen. Okay, back to the show. Let's go upstairs and see what it has to offer. We've got 2 decent sized bedrooms with laminate flooring. Decent sized windows, those are vinyl replacements. Got a full bath between the 2. And then, I'd guess this room's just a little bit larger. And again, good sized windows. This building is in pretty good shape and will make someone a really solid investment, especially considering its favorable location. So if you're considering moving here, you're going to want to pick up our relocation guide. It's free and there's no obligation. My staff and I have prepared the ultimate relocation guide, and you can get your copy below. Hey, this is not my first rodeo. Over the years, I've worn many hats in the industry, which means to you I can help ensure that your next real estate transaction will be a successful one. To see what I bring to the table, hey, check out this next video. Okay, enough said. Remember, I work harder to make good things happen. You make it a great day now. If you're considering relocating to the greater Indianapolis area or moving anywhere within central Indiana, be sure to tune in every week to learn all there is to know about real estate and living in Indiana. Whether you're buying or selling, please keep in mind, I work harder to make good things happen. Hey, make it a great day now. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to watch this next clip right now.